This video is about simple usage of LM laser measure. Let's start with the simplest. Long press this to activate the device. Press this again to trigger the distance measurement. The measured value is displayed immediately. Long press this to switch off the device. Also, it will off automatically after 150 seconds of inactivity. The angle information is displayed on the top of the screen, and the angle measurement range is -90 to 90.0. When measuring, short press this to undo the last action or clear measured value. Press this to switch reference point between the front and the rear of the here is a beep warning tone when reference point is changed, when not muted. Long press this to change distance unit between M, FT, in and FT plus in. The setting of unit will be saved automatically. Short press same button to switch on, off the beep.